mega love shout out. This is your Beshi Berna. And for today, I just want to greet you, Sisi Pretty Angel. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and everything that you wish for, sana matupad na. And of course, good health and happiness. And I know you're a very strong person. Despite of everything, you still can smile and still having that positive vibe. That's what I like about you. So, of course, in the future, whatever it will take you, gusto ko sana makita kang pang mas happy and sana ay, yun na, patuloy pa rin ang iyong YT journey. Enjoy your life and always stay positive. We love you here in SNU family. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday sa isa sa mga Diyosa ng SNU Dabar Cats, Sisi Pretty Angel. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best, good health, more success, peace, happiness. I know you are a strong woman. Just keep believing in yourself. And I know that you have so much potential, and I hope you know that. So don't let others belittle you. You are so much worth it. And even though hindi matuloy-tuloy ang meetup natin, but know that me and Beshi Berna are here for you when you need us. Andito lang kami. So just enjoy your day, Sisi, and take care. Bye. Happy birthday again.
Sorry for the noise. Nagluluto si Mami. Pag-isahin ko na kay Baby Pretty Angel, kay Baby Beshi Berna. Cheers! Ayan. Happy birthday for both of you. Isa na lang ang gagawin kong greetings, ha? Kasi alam niyo, may sakit si Mommy. I just arrived from check-up yan. And of course, nakikita po kayo yung mga nag-chat doon. Doon ako chat sa kabila. Nandito pala kayo sa kabila. Hi! Of course, happy birthday for both of you. Sana enjoy kayo. The other one is single. The other one is hindi na single. Ayan. Thank you sa mga support. And of course, happy birthday. God bless. Ano pa ba sasabihin ko? Magpaganda kayo lagi, mas lalo na. And we love you from Mommy and Daddy. Bye.
Happy birthday, Angel. Mag-enjoy ka kasi araw mo to at mabuhay ka hangat gusto mo. Madami man dumating na pagsubok sa buhay mo. Tandaan mo na madaming nagmamahal, so keep safe lagi. Angel, always be happy as you are now happy. Birthday sa'yo, Angel.
Hi, Sis Pretty. Miguel up shout out. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo, Sis Pretty. Diba? Pretty ka pa rin hanggat ngayon. Ayan, sana masaya ka sa iyong birthday. And then, ayun. Enjoy lang tayo. Huwag lang natin pansinin yung mga puso na mga nasasaktan. At least maganda pa rin. Diba? Ayan. Happy birthday again, Sis Pretty.
Hello, Masol! happy birthday sa iyo, Sisi Pretty. And alam ko ang nararamdaman mo ngayon na I hope God always guide you in a good way. And enjoy your day and always take care of yourself and always have a good health. Again, enjoy your day and happy birthday. God bless you always.